In this video, I'm going to show you how you can place your image in a circular shape in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now I have this image and I'd like to go ahead and just add a circular frame around it to make it look decent. To do that is quite simple. Go ahead and click on the image that you want to add a circular frame. And once you have clicked on it, head over to this crop option and click on it. Now you'll see we have a crop option for this image. Go ahead and crop it to the shape or the size that you want. So for my case, I'll crop it to this shape. Make sure that the parts that are important are not cropped out. And I think I'll leave it at that and then move it a little bit up like that. Now to add a circular image or shape, head over again to the crop image, but don't click on it. Just click on the down arrow here. Now you have quite a number of shapes here, and under shapes, go ahead and choose this circle or oval shape and click on it. And as you can see immediately, the image will be placed in a circular shape. So you can edit it by double clicking on it to increase the size of the circle or reduce it as you wish. And once you are done, you can just press enter to complete your settings. So that's how you can place an image in a circular shape in Google Slides. If you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.